There is a place in our universe where the laws of physics as we know them are crushed to nothing. A place from which not even light, the fastest thing in existence, can escape. It is the most extreme, the most mysterious, and the most terrifying object in the cosmos. A black hole. We've all seen the images and heard the theories. But tonight, we are going to do the impossible. We are going on a journey inside. This is your final voyage, past the point of no return. Our destination is a stellar mass black hole, about 10 times the mass of our Sun, born from the collapsed core of a massive star. From a safe distance, it's invisible, a perfect sphere of blackness against the backdrop of space. The only reason we know it's there is how its immense gravity bends the light from the stars behind it, an effect called gravitational lensing. The view is strangely beautiful, a dark void surrounded by a halo of warped starlight. But we're not staying here, we're going closer. As we approach, we reach a bizarre boundary, the photon sphere. This is a region where gravity is so intense that photons of light are forced into unstable orbits around the black hole. Here, if you were to look to the side, you could theoretically see the back of your own head, as light from behind you travels all the way around the black hole and back to your eyes. The view is a warped, chaotic funhouse mirror of distorted starlight. If our black hole were rotating, we would also have to pass through the ergosphere, a region where space-time itself is dragged along with the black hole's spin, like a vortex in a river. Inside this region, it is impossible to stand still. You are forced to move with the flow of space-time. But this isn't our final destination. We push onward. We are now approaching the most famous boundary in all of physics, the event horizon. This is the point of no return. It is not a physical surface you can touch. It is simply the point in space where the gravitational pull becomes so strong that the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. The moment we cross it, our fate is sealed. There is no engine, no theory, no force that can save us. The only direction is down. As we cross the event horizon, something strange happens, or rather, nothing happens. For a stellar mass black hole like this one, the crossing itself is completely uneventful. But for anyone watching us from the safety of the outside, they would see our image slow down due to extreme gravitational time dilation. Our clocks would appear to tick slower and slower, and our image would grow dimmer and redder as its light is gravitationally redshifted, eventually freezing on the edge of the event horizon for an eternity. For them, we never truly cross. But for us, the journey continues. Inside the event horizon, space and time have fundamentally switched roles in a way that is hard to comprehend. Outside, you can move in any direction in space, but you are forced to move in one direction through time, towards the future. Inside, the roles are flipped. The direction down, towards the center, is no longer a direction in space. It is the future. All possible paths, all future light cones, point towards the center. It is as inevitable as tomorrow. You cannot turn back from the center of a black hole any more than you can turn back from next Thursday. And now, we begin to feel it. The immense force of gravity. But it's not a uniform pull. The gravity at our feet, being slightly closer to the center, is now trillions of times stronger than the gravity at our head. The black hole is pulling more on our feet than on our head. This tidal force begins to stretch us, first at a cellular level, then our bones, our very atoms. The process is known, grimly, as spaghettification. We are being torn apart and extruded into a single, thin stream of elementary particles. It's a terrifying thought, But if you had the choice, would you take this one-way trip for science? Let me know in the comments with hashtag Final Voyage. This stream of particles continues its one-way journey to the very center, to the final mystery, the singularity. According to Einstein's general relativity, this is a point of infinite density, where all the mass of the black hole is crushed into a region with zero volume. It is a point where space-time curvature becomes infinite, and all our known laws of physics simply stop working. What is it? We don't know. Modern physics suggests that if the black hole is not rotating, the singularity is a single point. If it is rotating, as most things in the universe do, it may form a ringularity, a one-dimensional ring of infinite density. To truly understand this state, we would need a theory of quantum gravity to describe how gravity works at the subatomic level. This is the ultimate mystery, a place where general relativity and quantum mechanics clash. A place that challenges the very foundations of our understanding, including the black hole information paradox, which asks what happens to the information of the things that fall in. Is it lost forever, violating the laws of quantum mechanics? The final secrets of a black hole are kept forever, locked away inside the silent prison of the event horizon.